Microsoft's new ChatGPT update has everyone stunned. Now announced. Day by day, Twitter threads are being written on the best techniques to get the best user experience with ChatGPT, and the best resources, and the best of everything. The world of tech has barely gotten used to ChatGPT. Its artificial intelligence abilities are more than what any chatbot or AI has displayed ever. Then, OpenAI rolled out GPT 3.5, and then GPT 4. This has led to a lot of Twitter threads. Seriously, it's a whole lot. And now, Microsoft has introduced an incredibly exciting upgrade to its search engine, Bing using ChatGPT, and it brings a whole new level of awesomeness to searching for information online. Oh, let's dive in and explore what this means for you. The ChatGPT Bing integration project started in 2022, when Microsoft and OpenAI teamed up to create a better search experience. They wanted to make searching for information much easier and compete with Google, obviously. What makes ChatGPT so great is GPT technology, a language model trained by 175 billion data points. ChatGPT now runs on GPT 3.5. Is it any wonder then that ChatGPT can do most anything you ask it to? Programming, writing, designing, social media, etc. ChatGPT has answers for everyone. Microsoft's partner with OpenAI is an exciting collaboration that has been making waves in the field of artificial intelligence. It all started in 2019 when Microsoft invested a whopping $1 billion in OpenAI, forging a strong partnership that has only grown stronger over the years. So, what exactly does this partnership entail? Well, Microsoft provides OpenAI with access to its Azure cloud computing services, which are incredibly powerful tools for AI development. In addition, OpenAI gains access to Microsoft's vast AI expertise, allowing them to tap into a wealth of knowledge and resources. On the other hand, OpenAI licensed its impressive AI technology to Microsoft, granting them the rights to incorporate it into their own products and services. This has resulted in the creation of some remarkable offerings that harness the power of OpenAI's AI technology. One such project is GitHub Copilot, a tool that assists developers in writing code by generating helpful suggestions based on their existing code and comments. It's like having an AI-powered coding buddy by your side, helping you write better, code faster. Another product born from this partnership is DALL-E 2, an AI image generator that can bring text descriptions to life by creating realistic images. Just imagine describing a scene or an object, and DALL-E 2 can transform those words into stunning visual representations. Let's not forget about ChatGPT, the popular chatbot that has become a go-to conversational partner for many users. Thanks to the collaboration between OpenAI and Microsoft, ChatGPT can engage in natural and meaningful conversations, making interactions with AI feel more human and relatable. But it doesn't end there. The partnership between OpenAI and Microsoft has also fueled exciting AI research and development initiatives. One notable example is the OpenAI 5, a team of AI-powered players that took on professional human players in the popular video game Dota 2. This groundbreaking endeavor showcased the immense potential for AI in gaming and opened up new possibilities for AI-assisted gameplay. So, what are the benefits of this partnership for us, the users? Well, starters, it means increased access to cutting-edge AI technology. Microsoft customers can now leverage OpenAI's advanced AI capabilities to enhance their own products and services. This opens up a world of possibilities, from improving user experiences to making processes more efficient and intelligent. Additionally, the collaboration between Microsoft and OpenAI fosters a rich environment for AI research and development. By combining their expertise and resources, they can tackle complex challenges and push the boundaries of AI even further. This means we can expect to see new and improved AI technologies emerge from this fruitful partnership. Moreover, this partnership plays a crucial role in building trust in AI. By working together, Microsoft and OpenAI are committed to ensuring that AI is developed and used responsibly. This emphasis on responsible AI development helps to alleviate concerns and instill confidence in users, knowing that AI is being harnessed for the greater good. Now, let's talk about the benefits of ChatGPT Bing integration. There are several reasons why this upgrade is a game changer. Firstly, it makes searching more natural and engaging. Instead of typing out rigid queries, we can ask Bing questions in a conversational way, just as if you were talking to a friend. For example, instead of typing, "What is the capital of France?" you would simply say, "Hey Bing, what's the capital of France?" How cool is that? Bing, powered by ChatGPT, will understand what you mean and provide you with a relevant answer. It's like having a friendly conversation with your search engine. Not only is the experience more natural, but it's also more accurate and comprehensive. ChatGPT is a language model that has been trained on an enormous amount of information, so it really knows its stuff. It takes into account the context of your question and even considers your previous search history. This means that answers you get are more likely to be on point. No more sifting through irrelevant or inaccurate results. With ChatGPT Bing integration, you can trust that you're getting the most relevant information at your fingertips. But wait, there's more. ChatGPT Bing integration makes your life easier by helping you complete tasks more efficiently. Not just about finding information anymore. Need directions to the nearest coffee shop? Just ask, "Hey Bing, how do I get there?" Wondering how long it'll take to drive to the airport? ChatGPT has got you covered with turn-by-turn directions and an estimate of travel time. It's like having a personal assistant at your fingertips, guiding you through the intricacies of your daily tasks. Now, let's talk about the future. ChatGPT Bing integration is still in its early stages, but it's already making waves. People have tried it can't stop raving about how much more helpful, accurate, and engaging it is compared to traditional search engines. Microsoft and OpenAI are super excited about the potential for this integration. They believe it to revolutionize the way we search for information online. Imagine a world where you no longer have to type in keywords or click on links to find what you need. Instead, you simply have a conversation with Bing and get the answers you're looking for. It's like having a knowledgeable friend right there with you, guiding you through the vastity of information on the internet. Whether you're a student working on a project, curious soul seeking answers, or someone looking for the best restaurant in town, ChatGPT Bing integration is designed to enhance your search experience. In conclusion, the partnership between Microsoft and OpenAI is a significant milestone in the world of artificial intelligence. Say goodbye to the old way of searching and say hello to ChatGPT Bing integration, your friendly and knowledgeable search companion. Get ready to explore the vast world of information with ease and efficiency. Happy searching! You know who else has a hand in the AI business? Elon Musk, and he has now unveiled his next generation AI. You can get the first sneak peek in this video. See you there.